Welcome. In this video, we're going to do a case study of how St. John Properties uses digital signage in their lobbies of the buildings that they manage. A little bit about St. John Properties. They're a commercial real estate company headquartered in Baltimore, Maryland, and they maintain 22 million square feet of space. And so they've got 28 buildings that need lobby business directories. So in the past, they used to use an old system that had a proprietary touchscreen system. It was clumsy to use and didn't work all that well for them. And now they're using our DataPoint software, which allows them to create touchscreen directories in PowerPoint, and then they're able to connect to Excel spreadsheets that holds all the tenant data and locations. So the employees can update the spreadsheet without having to change the presentation. So let's see what they came up with. So this is one of their main entry screens. As you can see in the top left, they've got the temperature, what's happening, the weather, the date and time, and then they've got a news ticker going across. The directory showing there with their St. John Properties branding, and down here on the touch screen they can click to look through the directory by company, by individual. They can also check out amenities in the area, and they've got some place where they can contact them. So here's an example of one of the directories. The gym is on floor 1, Verizon has these particular ones, and so on, so that you can easily find the floor and the suite that you need to find the offices you're looking for. This is the area amenities section, which shows all the different food, banks and services, hospitality, health and beauty, etc. In the area by showing a map. And to contact, has information here if you want to contact them for leasing or to schedule a tour, if you need to contact the on-site property service. And again, if there's a maintenance request or an emergency after hours message, that's there as well. So the results were fantastic. St. John Properties felt the directories looked great. They were easy to use for visitors, easy to update by employees, and the users and the property managers had great reviews of it. Do you use our software? Share your PresentationPoint story. We'd love to hear more. We'd love to do a case study like this, telling how you're using it. Our readers love these real-life case studies because it shows them ways that things can be done in real life rather than just hypotheticals. So if you have a PresentationPoint story, DataPoint, VideoPoint, any of our tools, any of our softwares, email garland@presentationpoint.com. So for more information on the software discussed here, you can find out more at presentationpoint.com. Follow the QR code if you want with your smartphone, and we'd be happy to help you. Thanks so much for listening. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons to tell YouTube that this is a useful content that should be shared with more people.